Hey friends, I'm Kimberly Quinn, and if you're new here, my mission is to educate, entertain, and inspire you with tools that can literally change your life. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how Printify helped me launch my own print-on-demand business with zero inventory, zero shipping stress, and zero design headaches. I started exactly where you are right now. Curious, a little nervous, but super excited. And the best part? You don't need to be an artist or a business genius. If I can do this, so can you. Step 1, creating your Printify account. Let's head to Printify.com. Hit that sign up button. Choose either Google or email to register. Now, Printify asks you a few questions like what you want to sell and your experience level. Don't stress. This is just to customize your dashboard. When you land on your dashboard, think of it like your cockpit. This is where you'll upload designs, connect your shop, and watch orders fly in. Quick tip. Save the Printify dashboard as a bookmark in your browser. Trust me, you'll be coming back here a lot. Step 2, connecting Etsy shop. Let's create your storefront. Head to Etsy.com and sign up as a seller. Once your shop is ready, connect it to Printify. Why Etsy? Because Etsy is a giant digital mall where people are already shopping for custom tees, mugs, and hoodies. You don't need to build an audience from scratch. And here's the magic. When someone buys your product, Etsy tells Printify. Printify prints it, packs it, and ships it, and your customer is happy without you lifting a finger. Step 3, niche research. Don't skip this. Now, before you start throwing designs at the wall, let's get smart. Random designs are cute, but smart designs make money. That's why I use eRank.com, a free tool that tells you what people are actually searching for on Etsy. Go to eRank.com, sign up, connect your Etsy shop. Check trending keywords, seasonal demand, and low competition niches. When I first tried this, I found niches like funny, introverted shirts for my quiet friends. Book lover t-shirts, perfect for the readers out there. Step 4, designing in Canva, creative playground. Time to create. Don't worry if you're not a designer. Go to canva.com and search for t-shirt design. You'll see tons of professional templates you can customize. Now here are my design golden rules. Keep it bold and easy to read. Limit yourself to 2 to 3 colors for a clean look. Use big fonts and simple illustrations. Once you're happy, download it as a PNG with a transparent background. Step 5, uploading to Printify. Back to Printify we go. Click Create New Product. Choose a t-shirt, hoodie, or mug. Adjust placement and mockups. The mockup preview is your mini photo shoot. Step 6, setting up Etsy listing. Okay, let's polish your Etsy listing. This is where your product goes from cool idea to ready for sales. Add your product photos from Printify or Canva mockups. Write a keyword-rich title. Example, funny reading t-shirt, gift for book lovers, introvert shirt. Fill in the description. Step 7, payments and automation. Finally, set up your payment details on Etsy, your bank or PayPal, and add billing info for Etsy's fees. From here, everything runs on autopilot. Printify prints, packs, and ships. And that's it. You've officially built a print-on-demand store with no inventory and no design stress. But don't stop here. Upload more designs, test new niches, and watch your shop grow like a garden. The more seeds you plant, the bigger your passive income harvest will be. If this video helped you, hit that like button. It helps way more than you think. Subscribe for more tutorials from me, Kimberly Quinn, your AI guide to business success. And tell me in the comments, should my next video be about marketing your Etsy store with ads or scaling TikTok trends? You decide, and I'll make it happen. Bye.